Бәріңе сәлем!
Салют, Бердик. Сегодня проводим челлендж QURT BATTLE, и сегодня будем пробовать разные вкусы куртов. И вы будете видеть наши реакции. Всего хорошего!
Everything's been so messed up here lately. Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist said. Everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be just fine.